T6204 Stoke Natural Gas Engine Line. Additive Package. Product Introduction. This product is a kind of composite additive package which is made from a variety of excellent detergents, dispersants and anti-corrosion additives. The product is applied in fields of natural gas engines with low ash, excellent soot dispersion, high temperature detergency, anti-oxidation, anti-corrosion, and anti-wear performances. It is mainly used as lubrication for compressed natural gas (CNG), liquefied natural gas (LNG), and liquefied petroleum gas (LPG) engines.